Start.
Hi everyone, I am Vidhya from the Department of Costume Design and Fashion. I am here to teach you about the technical textiles. Technical textiles, the introduction. The technical textiles are manufactured for the non-aesthetic purposes because of their functional properties, and the technical textile materials, they are the most large and growing sector in this world. The technical textile materials are available both in woven and non-woven, and they are also very largely available. The primary synthetic and natural fibers are used. Primarily synthetic and natural materials are used. Classification of technical textiles. There are 12 classifications in it. First one is agrotech, and second build-tech, third is cloth-tech, fourth geotech, fifth home-tech, and sixth indutech, seventh med-tech, eighth mobile-tech, 9 eco-tech, 10 pack-tech, 11 pro-tech, 12 sport-tech. Agrotech. Agrotech is also called as agricultural textiles. The agrotech is nothing but the textile materials which are used in the application of agriculture. The applications are agriculture, fishery and forestry. The functions are they provide protection against wind, pests and weeds. The first picture shows the textile materials used for the purpose of nets, the purpose of roots, to prevent the roots from the pests and weeds. And the second material shows the mats for animals. And the third is for shading textiles. This will help the crop from excessive sunlight and water. Second. Here comes the build-tech. This is also called as building textiles. Here the textile materials are used in the field of construction and architecture. Its applications are concrete reinforcement, awnings and roofing materials. Concrete reinforcement is nothing but laying the textile materials in the buildings to arrest the leakage, and awnings are nothing but the roofing materials which we can see in the parking areas, and roofing materials is similar to awnings. And the main functions of build-tech are the strength, resilience, and it must be resistance to degradation by chemicals and pollutant by air. Next slide. So this is what the picture of build-tech. Here the awning material is used for parking areas, and this is textile drainage system. Here the textile material will help the drainage system to drain the water and waste, and here the textile material used for roof greening purpose. Next slide. Third one is cloth-tech. Cloth-tech is also called as clothing textiles. Here the textile materials are used in the application of clothing components like laces, labels, shoelaces, labels and loop fasteners. The most widely used cloth-tech material is sewing threads. It consumes of around 60% worldwide. Interlinings are used in the shirts and salwars and kurtas, etc. So the functions of cloth-tech are the functional applications and garment components. This can be used as a functional application in all garment components. Next slide. So the picture shows the sewing thread. This is also a product of cloth-tech, and these are the laces and cloth labels. So these are all the products of cloth-tech materials. And fourth one is geotech. It is geotech. This is also called as geotextiles. The textile materials used in the application of geographical areas. The applications are the geotextile materials are used in the construction of bridges, roadways, dams and railways. In roadways, the geotextile material will help to protect the roads from erosion. As we all know, while erosion and all, the roads got damaged. So in order to protect that, the geotextile material is laid under the tar, and over there is another layer of tar is applied, so that the roadways are protected from that soil erosion. The functions of geotextiles are, the main functions are, it will support, drain and filter. So for supporting and drainage and filtration properties, the geotextile materials are used widely. So these are the pictures of geotextiles. Here we can see for embankment purpose, the textile material is used. For example, in dams, it will help to protect the water from leakage, and in roadways, the geotextile material is laid to protect the soil erosion, and here in greenings and all, the embankment textile material is applied. Fifth one is home tech. Home tech is also called as home textiles. The textile materials used in the application of home appliances, such as the applications are interior decoration, mattress and pillow covers, carpeting, cushion materials, wall covering, fiber fills, etc. In interior decorations, we can see the cloth materials used for covering wall, floor, etc. And mattress and pillow covers, as we all know, pillow covers and mattress, and carpeting, cushion materials, and fiber fills is nothing but the stuffs used to fill the soft toys. Next. So this is what the photograph. The fiber fills used to stuff the soft toys, and this is the cushion cover and carpet, and this is what the picture of wall covering. So these are all the products of home textiles. Next one is Indutech. Indutech is also called as industrial textiles. Here the textile materials used in the field of industrial textiles are called as Indutech. Their applications are silk screen printing, conveyor belts, conveying equipments, filtration, soundproof elements, covers for instruments. Silk screen printing is nothing but the screen printing which is made of silk material. And conveyor belts, this will help to connect the machine and the motor. So this is what the conveyor belt. So in this conveyor belt, the Indutech material is used for this conveyor belts. And conveying equipments in the manufacturing, in large scale manufacturing industries, they will get some conveying equipments, and these conveying equipments will help to transport the manufactured goods from one place to another place. In order to support that, the conveying equipments are used. And filtration is similar to RO. In RO industries and all, they will use this filtration cloth to filter the water. And soundproof elements is used inside the theaters and audio labs to restrict the sound inside. Covers for instrument, to cover the instruments, equipments used in the labs. The cloths have been used in Indutech. So its functions are the separation and purification of industrial products, cleaning of gases and effluents. Next slide. So here the cloth have been used for covering the equipments. So this is what the soundproof element which is used inside the labs of audios and theaters. And these are the belts and lasers which have been used to connect the motor and the machine. Next slide. So seventh one is medtech. In all the technical textile sectors, medical textiles have been widely used. Medtech is also called as medical textiles. The textile materials which are used in the application of medicine, that is called medical textiles or medtech. So their applications are sutures, plasters, bandages, protective eye pads, artificial liver, artificial kidney. Sutures are nothing but the thread which are being used to stitch the wounds. And plasters, as we all know, and bandages. There are wide variety of bandages have been used, like orthopedic bandages, normal bandages, strain bandages, like that and all. And protective eye pads. During traveling, these protective eye pads will help us in protecting from winds and light. And artificial liver and artificial kidney. So artificial organs have been transplanted with the help of these textile materials. So these all products will come under the medtech. And functions, the main functions while selecting the medical textile products which we used to see is biodegradable. That property, the fiber should have the property of biodegradable, and it should also contain antimicrobial property in it. Next slide. So these are the pictures. So this is what the orthopedic bandages, and here comes the cardiac support device which is covered with the medical textile material, and here the gloves, the cap, the gowns, whatever they are using, they are also come under medical textiles. And this is what the suture which we used to stitch the thread. Eighth one is mobile tech. Mobile tech is also called as automobile textiles. This is also called as mobile tech. The applications are mobile tech is widely used in seat belts, airbags, tire cord fabrics, seat covers, insulation fills, interior carpets, etc. Seat belts, as we all know, we can see in all automobiles, and airbags. This can be seen only in higher end cars, which helps the passengers from accidents. And tire cord is the tire tube which has been incorporated in the tires. And seat covers, as we all know in our all automobiles. Insulation fills, which is incorporated in the air conditioners of the cars vent. And interior carpet is nothing but in higher end models automobiles, interior carpets have been applied. Next one. So this is what the picture of airbag, which will help the passenger from accidents. During accidents, this airbag will blow to help the passenger, to protect the passenger. And this is what the seat covers which we are using in the automobile industry, and this is the seat covers used in aeroplanes, and these are the seat belts used in automobile industry. So all these are made up of textile material, and these all products comes under Indotech. Ecotech is a textile application which have been used in eco-friendly manner. The first one is floor ceilings and erosion protection. Third one is air cleaning. Fourth one is prevention of water pollution and water cleaning, waste treatment, deposition area construction. Thank you for watching the video.